I Jyoti welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am going to discuss two chapters of GK. Chapter number 35 that is currency code and chapter number 39 that is tickle your mind. So let us proceed with chapter number 35. Students, in previous video we have done chapter number 27 demonetization, and in demonetization we have done one topic currency. So just revise it. Currency is a system of money in common use in a particular country or used by the people of country. For example, in India, rupee is the currency of India and the symbol of the rupee is this. Okay? So same here in your chapter 35, some codes, currency codes are given and picture also given there. So what you have to do in chapter 35, you have to identify the picture and you have to write the full form of or the currency name of that code. So let us start one by one. First is EUR. What is the currency name of this code? Currency name of this code is European Euro. And the symbol of this currency code is this. Basically, this is the currency of Germany and Spain. Next is RUB. RUB is the currency code of Russian ruble. And the symbol is like this. Russian ruble like this. It is the currency of Russia. Next code is AED. AED is UAE dirham. UAE dirham, and the symbol is like this. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. So this is the currency of basically United Arab. Next is JPY. JPY is the currency code of currency Japanese yen, and the symbol is like Y and double stick downside. So this is the currency of Japan country. Next is USD. USD stands for United States dollar. You all are aware about dollar, and the sign of dollar is this dollar symbol. Especially this currency is of USA country. And the last is GBP. GBP is related to pound. It is UK pound sterling. And it is denoted by this symbol. Basically, it is the currency of UK and England. So students, these are some currency codes given in your chapter number 35. What you have to do, you have to identify the picture and the code, and you have to write the full form of that currencies. Okay students? Students, now proceed with chapter number 39. Chapter 39 is tickle your mind. It means you have to give answers of some questions. Some questions are given, a funny question, not simple question, these are funny questions. Some questions are given in your chapter number 39. The first question is, just listen carefully. First question is, which word if pronounced right is wrong, but if pronounced wrong is right? It is asking if we are going to pronounce it right, it is wrong. But if we pronounce it wrong, it is right. And the correct answer is wrong. It means if you pronounced it as right, it is wrong. But if you pronounce it wrong, W-R-O-N-G, wrong, so it is right because you are pronouncing this right word wrong. So first question is wrong. Second question. A boy and a doctor were fishing. The boy is the doctor's son. The boy is the son of that doctor and both are fishing. But the doctor is not the boy's father. But the doctor is not the father of that boy. Boy is the son, but doctor is not the father. Who is the doctor then? Obviously, it will be mother. Don't think just a male person is only doctor. Female can also be the doctor. So, the answer is mother. So, the doctor is mother of that boy. Okay, students, now come to third question. Third question is Tushar and his mother and his father. Means three persons are here. Tushar, his father and mother went out in the rain, but only two of them got their hair wet. So why? Persons are three, but only two of them got their hair wet. It means the father was bald. Bald means father was not having hair. Okay? So the right answer is father is bald. These are funny questions, students. Now come to fourth question. Fourth question is, which of the following letter design is not like the other five? Now, 5 letters are given here. Not 5, 6 letters are given here. What are these letters? Y. Then next is E. The next is N. The next is F. The next is A. And the last is G. Now it is asking which letter is different from all other 5 letters. Now see one thing, one important thing. Y is the combination of how many sticks? 1, 2 and 3. N is the combination of 1, 2, 3 lines. F is the combination of 1, 2, 3 lines. A is the combination of once again 1, 2 and 3 lines. G is the combination of 1, 2 and 3 lines. What about E? Students, E. Now see E. E is the combination of 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. So that's why it has 4 lines, all other have 3 lines. That's why E is different from all other alphabets. Got it, students? Right? Now come to last question, question number 5. A dog had 4 puppies named Tommy, Pommy, Romy and Johnny. Guess their mother's name. You know that the rhythm is coming me, me, me. So, mummy, it can be mummy. So, the right answer of the question number 5 is mummy. Okay? So, these are some questions. You have to read these questions and you will fill the blanks given in the chapter. So, that was your chapter number 35 and 39. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. Thank you.